This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty/Lake Country property video is presented by Lacie Groeninger. Reynolds Lake Oconee, Lake Access, Custom Home. This one-owner home is situated on a serene, wooded lot with partial lake views. It was built with numerous upgrades and a thought floor plan and offers the perfect canvas for the next owner's vision. Featuring a spacious 3-car garage, with the third bay equipped with HVAC so it can be used as a studio or hobby room if needed. The main level hosts the master suite, a secondary bedroom with ensuite bath, an office, a large deck, screen porch, formal dining and casual eat-in kitchen dining areas, and so much more. On the terrace level, you will find a secondary living space with a wet bar, 3 large bedrooms, a full bathroom and tons of storage space. Step outside to the backyard and take the walkway down to your assigned slip dock. Indulge in the comforts of lakeside living at Reynolds Lake Oconee with a golf membership available to enjoy all the world-class amenities and restaurants in this prestigious community.